Hi, this is Miss Hess, and I just wanted to send you a message because we're right here in crunch time on the last week of the 9 weeks to make sure that you have everything that you need in order to get things done. So I've made a list, so if I look down, it's because I'm just checking my list to make sure I go over everything with you. Number 1. All the assignments are due by November 1st at midnight. My grades are due the next morning, and so I'm going to give you as long as I possibly can to get those assignments in, but I definitely need them by November 1st. That's Thursday. So this is your last big weekend to do work, so you just want to get on it. You want to make sure you're putting in a lot of time this weekend getting those assignments in. Don't wait until next week. If you've heard there's a hurricane coming through, we might lose power. It might cut off 2 or 3 days of your work next week. So you want to try to get in as much stuff as you can do this weekend. I'm going to try to grade assignments all weekend, try to put in grades. But I want you to do a couple things for me. First thing is I want you to check your grade book. Your grade book will show any missing assignments. If in your grade book there's a little box with a green exclamation point, that means you've turned it in and I have it and it's just waiting to be graded. If it looks like a little piece of paper in a box, then that actually means it's in progress and I do not have a submitted assignment. All assignments are set up so that you can do resubmission. So if you see the little gray box and you haven't completed the assignment, just go back in, take the assignment, and I will clear out all of the in progresses as we go through the weekend. So I will continually do that. If you run into any snags, questions, or problems, you need to email, text me, or call me this weekend. I'll be constantly checking my email and text and the phone, and so I'll try to get to it as soon as possible and get anything corrected where there are issues. The other thing I want you to do is make sure that you check your final grade. You should have a grade under something that's titled first term or first 9 weeks grade. That grade is a running total. So what that means is that you start off the beginning of the 9 weeks with a 0. Every time that you complete an assignment, you add points to that grade. So that is your total grade. If you were to take all the assignments you've completed to date and get your grade for the 9 weeks, that's your grade. That's why a lot of you are sitting right now at 30s and 40s and 50s. That would be your grade right now if you didn't do any other work. So check that grade. As long as you have assignments that keep coming in, that grade is going to increase. And look at your grade book. If you bombed an assignment, go back and redo it. Go try to get a better grade. In the math classes, there should be notes in there telling you how to correct problems, especially in the short answer problems. So I've put those in there to help you out. Go ahead and redo assignments and get those grades up. You will know exactly what you have in a running total if you check that grade book. Again, any questions, any problems, email, text me, or call me this weekend and I will try to get on it as soon as possible. Good luck, and I'll talk to you soon.